Hello. Hello, Prepa C. My name is Teacher Doris. We are going to work on page 14. You have to follow the code to color the draw or the picture. Let's count a number from 1 to 10. Let's start on number 1 and it's in red color. Okay, you have to follow me, okay? Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10. Alright, let's continue. Remember, number 10 is 1 and 0. Number 10. 1 and 0, number 10. Alright, we already learned the number 14. Let's count the apples. How many apples do we have here? Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 apples, okay? This is the number 14. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 4, 14. 14. Look, how can we form the number for 15? Look, 1 and 5. One more time. 1 and 5. Let's count the stars. Let's see how many stars we have here in this number. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 stars. We have 15 stars, okay? 15. Number 15. 15. Alright. Listen, we have a sun here. This is the sun. In the sun, we have the number 7, 12, 8. In the rainbow, we have the number 9, 10, 11. And we have a dog here. A dog. We have a dog here. In the dog, we have the number 10, 7, and 5. Alright. We are going to circle in the sun number 12. The number 12 here. Right. Which is the number 12 in the sun? Okay. Where is the number 12? Is this number 12? No. Is this number 12? Yes. This is the number 12. 1 and 2, 12. 1 and 2, 12. Okay, in the rainbow, we have to circle the number 11. 11. Remember, 1 and 1, 11. Is this number 11? No. Is this number 11? No. Is this number 11? Yes. This is the number 11. In the dog, we have to circle the number 10. Is this number 10? Yes, this is number 10. In the cloud, we have to circle the number 7. Here, we have to find the number 7 here. Which is the number 7? Is this number 7? No. Is this number 7? Yes, this is number 7. This is number 9, and we are going to cross it out. We don't need the number 9. Alright, now we are going to find what number is missing here. What number is between the number 1 and the number 3? Remember, we said 1. What number do you say? 2, yes. So it's 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's continue. 4. And then, what number is coming after number 4? 5, yes. Number 5. And then the number 6. 7. Okay, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number is coming after the number 8? Number 9. Yes, very good. Number 9. And number 10, okay? Alright, now we are going to trace the number 7. Number 7. Let's count the monkeys. 1 monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 monkeys. We have 7 monkeys. Alright? Okay, this is the number 7. We have to trace number 7. And let's trace number 7 here. Number 7, you have to start at the top, go to the right, and then go to the bottom again. One more time, number 7. 7. Yes? 7. Okay. Number 7. Yes, very good. Number 7. And here we can see the time. That is, let me see what time is here. 7 o'clock too. 7 o'clock. Very good. We have to finish page 14, okay? See you next time. Bye-bye.